Hello and welcome back to this channel. Today I want to show you how to fix this placket. Can you see it? I'll show you how to fix this placket to your shirts. I recently make a video on how to fold the placket, so if you haven't watched it, I'll make a link under the description below. So we have our rules in this channel. All you have to do is just to look down this video and click on the red subscriber button, and that will trigger this video because we're starting right now. So now we have our placket here. Can you see this? So I already fold this up and I make a small one which will be for the inner placket. I just fold it with an iron just like that. So all you're going to do first is your fabrics. After you fold it up like this, or you can just use a single part like this. So all you have to do is just to turn it over like this. Can you see what I did? Turn it over. This is the front. Or it's at the other side of the. This is the front and this is the back. So you just turn it over like this and place this at the neck. You can just get the center point of your neck right here. Can you see? I already fold the center point with an iron when you're cutting. So all you just have to do is just to place this. You fold this a little bit like this. Can you see that? Then you place it over here. So this is an adult cloth. So the depth of this place will be around 5 inch for main adults, in order for the head to be able to enter inside the round neck. So now I just fold this up a little bit, then we stitch it. I want you to see what I just did. You stitch this part to the neck. Can you see here? It's folded up like that. So can you see this now? Can you see that? So what you're going to do now is, at that the center point which I folded here, you're going to start cutting. You're going to start cutting. You're going to start cutting. Then when you get somewhere around this simple inch here, just make a notch down to this part, down to the thread. Do you see that? Very simple. So we are going to cover up the neatness now. So all you have to do is just to turn it to your face. This is the front of the clothes. Now go through this edge off. So look at this. Because of the notch here, it will be easier for the fabrics to come to the front. Can you see that? Then we easily fold this over it. Easily fold this over it like this. Place it under the machine. Make sure this particular part is inside the fabric very well. Can you see what I'm doing very closely? Push this down. Straight to that particular place. Cut this out. So take a look at it again. Can you see this? This is the other part. Can you see the stitches? And here, all you have to do about this one, just cut it out. Just cut that part a little bit. Cut it out. So now on our main placket, this is the main placket. Can you see? So what we're going to do is just to turn it over like this. make a stitch down here first. I'm running just an quarter inch around here. Can you see that? The stitch is from here. Look closely, from here up to this part. Then I hand it here. So now we are going to fix it to the plate. So after you stitch this part down, can you see this? This placing matters a lot. So you have to take note of here. This is the back is at my side, and this is the front right here. So now to fix this placket there, all you have to do is just to turn this round. So the front is now with me and the back is over here. Can you see? So now we're just going to place it. I'm going to place a placket like this. If you don't know how to fold this placket, I will make a link below this video so that you can see how I fold the placket. I make a video about it recently, so you can just check. So now I'm going to stitch placket body also. We'll just end it at that same point where we end this one also. So I want you to take a look at this. You know, we already open this place up, we already split this part. So now all you have to do also with this one is just to make a notch here. Can you see? Just make a notch here also. Just make a simple notch here. Make sure you don't go beyond that part. Now all you have to do is just to move it back to the front. This is the front of our fabrics right here. We are going to turn this also over. You see that? See, we are getting somewhere, so it's easier to turn this over. Make sure this goes inside very well. See, there's a gaiters in our fabrics, so this is what we are going to follow, and this is the center of the placket, so it has to be at the center of this place in order not to make the placket warp. So now we're going to stitch from where we end this one before. Stitch. That's nice. You stitch straight. When you start a straight line here also, make sure your hand is very straight, because this is the front of the clothes, so your hand has to be very straight and neat. So you're going to stitch this down. Make sure this center point is set. Like that. Turn it over. This straight as well. Remember this 5 inches where we cut this, don't forget we are going to end our stitches here, so this line will guide me here. So we're going to do this. sure you don't go beyond that 5 inch. That point. We're just going to make a stitch here in order to pull the collar very well. I'm just going to pull like that here. You see? So when you turn this over to the front, we're going to have our placket right here. Can you see? Can you see that? So far, that's how to make a placket, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Make sure you click the subscriber button and make sure you click the notification bell. Yo!